Voice is audible or not?
Audible, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So if we want geography to be written as location, okay. Again, I will rewrite it. Okay. Then we can write, like this is generally, we are actually changing the name only, but the table name is same, right? So we should write from, okay, from. Modeling semicolon, okay. So when we will execute it, it will show us location. Column header is being changed. Only just to view with another name, we are doing so. Okay. And similarly, we can extract a new table also with the help of view and as to get a new table. But it will be a virtual table. It will not be saved over here. Okay. So I will be writing select. Okay. Then we should use view. Okay. It is to generate a virtual table with a different name. As we have generated a column with different name, similarly a virtual table with different name, like churn. Like we can write churn itself, churn. Okay. Then we can write it as. Then we can include some columns in it, whichever columns we like. Suppose if I want geography, or gender also. Oh, yeah. Geography, then gender. Okay, comma, then age, then exited. Okay, whether that person exited or not. Okay, only this many things we are taking. Control V, and this two from which particular column that we have to mention, which particular table. Okay, so which table we are using? The same. Okay, churn model. Okay. There is some error. Select view churn. Anybody who can rectify this?
I think you have to you write select two times.
Like how? Okay. Sorry. Actually, yeah, I got. Okay. We should actually write create only. I was writing select again. That was the issue. We are creating a new table with new name, right? Although it is a virtual table, so we should write create over there. Like we did over here now. Like in order to create a database, we should write create. The same way we should write create view, not select view. Okay, that was the problem. Let us execute it once again. Yeah, now it is working. Okay. And if I am going to see that what is there in churn, okay, this is our new table. It is a virtual table. Okay, when we will refresh it, okay, right now only that table is there. It is a virtual table. It is not appearing in schemas, but we can access it right now. Okay, so we can simply write like select star from churn. Okay. Oh, select. Yeah, now it is okay. Now, when I will run it, it is showing me only those columns which I have selected: geography, gender, age, excited. Is it clear, all of you? It is this is how we can make a virtual table out of it. Okay. Clear, right? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. If we want not a virtual table, a table only. Okay. So we can try that too. Like create, then we should write table. This was a virtual table, so we have written view. When we have to create an actual table, so we should write table itself. And then we should give the name as we have did over here, churn. We should write some other name over here. So I will be writing customer data, something like that. Okay. Customer churn. Okay. And then we have to write as there also. Okay. Capital S is okay. Okay. Then after as we should write the same. Like if we want the same thing. Okay. Control C, Control V. Right. And we can put some more columns also. That would look good. Okay, now let us execute this statement. Okay, so it got executed. Now when we will refresh over here, we can see customer churn is also coming. So it is the actual table. What we earlier created was a virtual table. This is how we can create an actual table out of the existing table, right? From the table name, that is customer churn. Okay. So it is showing us only those columns. I mean the table itself in which only these columns are there. Is it clear, all of you? Everyone? Any response?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I wind up the session?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Yeah. You just install MySQL in your system and try this particular program. It is one of the basic program that you can start with. Okay.